Hello, we've just paid £8 to walk in the rain. I'm a bit wet.
Hello, it's very, very soggy.
It is very, very soggy. Can you see the rain? Soggy bit. Soggy bum. Soggy crotch. Soggy sleeve. Oh, I have got some soggy sleeves. You can probably see the raindrops. Sun's coming out. Sun's coming out, apparently. Huh?
I think the rain stopped and it's just the dripping from the trees now.
I don't think so.
I think so.
Shall we go somewhere with no trees to test out that theory? Like the car.
Like the car. The car doesn't have trees in it.
No.
Are you doing a movie?
Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.